Guys, full na yung machine, no. Taran. Okay, brother. Sorry. Sorry, brother. Galit ka ata eh.
Ano na kaya yung sa akin ito? Blue.
Oh, guys, alam nyo na paano gumawa ng machine.
Gawa ng machine.
You can make your own machine, guys. Now you know. Only change the plastic. Oh, diba?
Gagawa ka ng machine.
Ganun lang pala yan. Hindi man natupi.
Hindi man yan matutupi.
No, not us. We are rich if we bring like this. Too much. We bring only 10,000 bottle.
10,000 how come 10,000? 1,000 yung 10,000.
5,000. Ay, 1,000 bottle.
1,000 ang 10,000.
Now, I don't know counting.
10,000. Ang dami naman no.
Oh, guys, ganyan lang paggawa mo.
Ay, nakaraan din, napuno din natin yan.
Grabe, oh. Kami lang daw nakapuno. Grabe naman yan.
It's only yours.
Parang hindi makapaniwala.
Mother, it's only her bottle lang.
No. Only I bring 500 bottle.
1,000 bottle.
Okay, guys. Thank you. To be continue. Ayan, to be continue yung friend ko. Oh, pwede mo ibalik yung buti. Another point. Oy, hindi kami ang dahilan ha. Bakit napuno ang machine?
Tingnan mo.
Biruin mo guys, hindi natupi sa
Kan yung
machine.
nalagay ko. Pero bottle lang binuksan niya. Kan yun.
Mag-ipon na rin kayo ng pan kasi 10 points na siya. Brother, subscribe me ha. Yeah, subscribe me. I have channel. 1,000 real maybe. Uy, grabe. Ganun lang guys. Oh, kinuha yung plastic. Sige, punuin mo yan ulit. Oh, paano na yan guys? Manunood muna ako ng Batang Quiapo habang nag-aantay. So guys, habang naghahantay sa kanya, sa babae na yan, manunood ako ng Batang Quiapo. Bye! See you next time.